Breaking news has just surfaced about Turkey's military capabilities, and it's sending shockwaves across the global community. Experts are analyzing the situation, revealing that Turkey has rapidly modernized its armed forces over the past decade. Turkey's defense budget has increased by over 50% in the last 5 years, fueling new developments in technology and equipment. One step in their military expansion involves the indigenous production of the Altay tank, which boasts advanced armor and weaponry. Additionally, Turkey's drone program, led by the Bayraktar TB2, has gained international attention for its effectiveness in conflicts worldwide. These drones can carry out surveillance, strike missions, and even perform autonomous operations, showcasing Turkey's technological prowess. Furthermore, Turkey has expanded its navy significantly, commissioning new submarines and missile boats to secure the Mediterranean and Aegean seas. The country's efforts to develop its own military aviation include the TFX fighter jet, which is currently in the testing phase. This multi-role fighter jet aims to rival other regional powers, aircraft, and reduce dependence on foreign imports. In addition, Turkey has been actively purchasing advanced missile systems, including the Russian S-400, fueling diplomatic tensions. Military analysts believe that these acquisitions demonstrate Turkey's intention to establish a formidable independent defense capability. But Turkey's military strength isn't just about hardware, it also involves extensive training, strategic doctrines, and cyber warfare capabilities. The Turkish armed forces regularly conduct large-scale drills, integrating land, sea, and air units for joint operation. Their cyber warfare unit has reportedly become one of the most sophisticated in the region, capable of offensive and defensive operations. Turkey's strategic geographic position between Europe, the Middle East, and Asia gives it significant geopolitical leverage. Some experts say that Turkey's military buildup is partly aimed at asserting influence over regional conflicts and protecting national interests. However, this rapid militarization has raised concerns among neighboring countries and NATO allies about potential escalation. Despite these concerns, Turkey continues to assert that its military enhancements are vital for regional stability and national security. In fact, Turkey has participated in numerous peacekeeping missions worldwide, demonstrating its commitment to international security. Meanwhile, the country is also investing heavily in missile defense systems to safeguard against potential threats from adversaries. With all these developments, Turkey's military capabilities are now arguably among the most advanced in the region. But critics warn that such rapid growth could lead to regional arms races and increased instability. Nevertheless, Turkey remains steadfast in its pursuit of a robust military, emphasizing sovereignty and strategic autonomy. The world watches closely as Turkey continues to modernize and expand its military, balancing diplomacy with strength. Questions linger about how this militarization will influence future regional conflicts and alliances. In conclusion, Turkey's evolving military landscape is indeed shocking, reflecting a nation determined to be a major regional power. Only time will tell how these powerful capabilities will shape the geopolitical dynamics in the coming years.